This is a pyrite processing plant. These jig machines are used to turn low-grade ore into high-grade pyrite. The process relies on gravity and water pulsation to separate heavy pyrite from lighter waste rock. Let's take a look at the whole process. The raw ore is first crushed by a jaw crusher to break large rocks into smaller pieces, making them easier to process. The crushed ore passes through a rotary trommel screen to separate different particle sizes for better recovery. The fine particles go to our LTC trapezoidal jig machine, designed for small-size pyrite separation. Under the platform are the concentrate pond and tailings pond. These are the pyrite concentrates separated by the LTC jig machine, with a sulfur content of over 45%. For larger particles, the process uses our FFED compound jig, which has a stronger pulsation force and higher processing capacity. The concentrate and tailings from this jig also flow into the ponds below the platform for collection. These are large particle concentrates from the FFED jig machine, with good grade. The whole system runs smoothly, with simple operation and no pollution. If you are working on sulfide or beneficiation, contact us for reliable jig machines and complete gravity separation solutions.